Hi, my name is Rudra Chopra and my project for Science Olympiad is propulsion. And here is the plane shown clearly. And this is only made out of paper and balsa and a paper clip, nothing else. So first, let's show you how I built it. First, we come to the wings. I cut out 10 ribs of 1 by 1 millimeter balsa wood. I made an outline of balsa wood and I connected the 1 millimeter strips to the outline and to make a sturdy wing. And I put wrapping paper around the wings. And this wing is kept at a 90 millimeter dihedral. That means one is on the ground and one is at a 90 millimeter dihedral. Next, let's come to the stabilizer and rudder. The stabilizer was inserted to the fuselage because there's an incision on the wing, and this slides right through to make sure it's always straight. And same thing for the rudder. The rudder is placed through an insert to make sure it's kept at a 90-degree angle. And the fuselage was made out of 3 1 millimeter balsa wood. And as you can see in the front, there is lots of pieces of balsa wood here, and that is because we want the plane to be even, balanced. So when we launch it, it goes the maximum. Next, we come to the propeller. The propeller is made out of a paper coffee cup. Since the coffee cup is round, it'll give the propeller more thrust forward since it's round. And this paper clip has the sole purpose of attaching the propeller to the rubber band. Now let's do our flights. So this is flight number 1, and I'm doing this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was the first flight. And now the flight time is shown directly on the screen here. And now let's measure how far this plane went. So I am right now measuring how far this plane will go. As you can see, this plane is exactly 16 feet. Right, as you can see right there, 16 feet. And now I'm going to wind it up to do our second test. So I wind it up. So right now I'm winding the propeller up to do our second test of this video. Okay? It is fully winded up, and I'm winding it up. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that is the next flight. That is the next flight, and now we're going to measure the distance. And the flight time is shown directly on the screen, right there. And now we're going to measure how far this thing goes. We are doing 2 flights only, so let's measure this. Okay, so here's the 16-point mark here. Now I'm going to hold my finger as a marker, and now we're going to start measuring from here. So that is my finger. So as you can see, that's another 2 feet. So 16 feet plus 2 feet is equal to 18 feet. This plane has flew 18 feet for our second launch. And now for our last launch. I'm winding the plane up. And we're going to start it, and the flight time is shown on the screen here, right here. And we are starting our third and last flight in 3, 2, 1. There is that last flight, and the time is shown directly on the screen. And now we are going to measure the flight time. So, the distance. So we are extending here. It is as you can see, 15 feet. And that concludes our flight. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. Bye.